Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play MLB The Show on iPad. First, ensure you own a PlayStation or Xbox console and the game. This easy method leverages your console's remote play capabilities, allowing you to stream the full game experience directly to your Apple tablet. You can enjoy all the modes, from Diamond Dynasty to Road to the Show, right in the palm of your hands. It's a fantastic way to extend your gaming beyond the living room, offering flexibility and convenience for baseball fans. Setting up remote play is straightforward. Begin by downloading the appropriate remote play application from the App Store, either the PlayStation Remote Play app or the Xbox app. Next, power on your console and navigate to its system settings to activate the remote play feature. Once enabled, open the app on your iPad and follow the simple prompts to link it with your console. This process usually takes just a few minutes, getting you ready to play in no time. To ensure the smoothest gameplay, optimizing your connection is key. Make certain both your console and iPad are connected to a robust and stable Wi-Fi network. A 5 GHz Wi-Fi band is highly recommended over a 2.4 GHz band, as it offers faster speeds and less interference. Additionally, close any unnecessary applications running in the background on your iPad to free up resources and prevent any potential lag during your game. For the best control, pair a compatible PlayStation DualSense or Xbox wireless controller with your iPad using Bluetooth. This provides a familiar and precise gaming experience, far superior to touch controls for a game like MLB The Show. Experiment with the in-game settings, perhaps lowering some graphical options, to achieve the perfect balance between visual fidelity and smooth performance. Now you're all set to enjoy America's favorite pastime on your iPad, anytime, anywhere.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.